When we learn, we start first by reading, and that gets us to a level of understanding. And then we learn at a higher level by teaching and communicating what we know. But the best is actually doing it for our memory, for a more tangible interaction with a new topic.
We hope to gain a better understanding of the technology that's on a car. This small car will have a central processing unit, a camera, and sensors very similar to what's used in real-life autonomous vehicles. We want to see what type of data is produced in training the car, testing the car, and then in the car's production operations.
So for me personally, I think it's all about safety, and I think autonomous vehicles is a game changer, and I'll get to see this in my lifetime. I have 3 kids. My oldest, she's been driving about 4 years. My son's been driving about a year, and my youngest is actually taking her driver's test on Thursday. So I'm going to sleep well at night sometime in the near future, knowing that they're safe on the road.